Our program actually is one of the highest percentage of females in the School of Engineering. And there's no reason why any girl should feel like this will not be the place for them. They should not be afraid of the computer. They should not be afraid of the math. They should not be afraid, even if you don't know anything, you think that I don't know anything about manufacturing or how things are made. If you like to play with, I don't know, Play-Doh and make the figures, this will be a place for you too. There's no reason to think a girl would not enjoy this program. Don't listen to anyone who says, I hate math. Whether it's another girl, sometimes a parent. Don't listen to anyone who says, I just don't like math. Or I can't do math. Maybe you need a little bit of help. Maybe you need to ask more questions. But don't be afraid of math. Math is your friend. Math is in everything that is around us. So don't let that fear be on your way. So this program is very unique in that it combines some of the theory with hands-on approach. Many of our classes are hands-on. They will learn a good idea of what the design of a product looks like and what the manufacturing of that product looks like. And that way, if you're a designer, you can talk to manufacturing. And if you're in manufacturing, you can talk to designer, because it is no use to design something that is really pretty on the computer, but that cannot be made. So it is that combination of the two that is very important. And this program does a very good job at combining those two areas of the field. Don't be afraid of being in a place where you're the only one. Find your voice. Don't let anybody talk over you. Don't let anybody dismiss you. Because if you know what you're doing, don't let other people's opinions shake your confidence. If you've done the work and you know the material and you have the data to back up your opinion, don't back down.